A little bit of that nice Florida mud. I got back yesterday, I think at 10:30, and when I pulled in, I heard a clicking sound come from the front end, so that's not good. But I've already got the skid plates are off, and I just cracked the fill plug for the diff, so I'm gonna take that plug out. I did not change the fluids after the Ozarks trip, which might have been stupid because they could be full of water. I'm about to find out. So here goes nothing. I'm also pretty worried that I might have chipped a tooth in Florida. Okay, well that's a good sign. Please, no teeth. Oh, well, that is great news. There are a few metal shavings, but the fluid is still pretty clean. Well, that guy finishes draining out. Guess I should go ahead and get some gear oil set up. I bought this little pump at the recommendation of GA from AutoZone. Oh, hey, look, an old door. There we go. Good enough for government work. Is there a torque spec for this? Yes. Do I care to find out what it is? No. With these crush washers, you can feel when they get seated on there. And I think it was too tight last time. That's definitely not what you want to see. But at the same time, it could be worse. I don't know how I lived this long without using one of these. This just screws onto the top of the bottle. That's gonna make it a lot easier. Well, I got that buttoned up. I guess it's time to pack all this away, and I'll go see if the rear axle is ready for pickup.
They can let it down now. Alright, you good.